walking around and everything says for sale. This is gonna be a fun day of checking out some boats. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Here we go. It's got a dinghy. Beautiful cockpit. Some solar panels. All right, let's go in.
It's like a condo.
Look at that bed. There's a bed in this side? This is sweet. Oh my gosh, look at this. We got a bedroom right here. The stairs going out to the cockpit. This is huge. Here's another bed. There's a nav station. The kitchen's nice. And look at this. It's so open. This is the nicest bathroom I think I've seen out of any of them. Sweet. So this is like where you sit. So it's like instead of a V-berth. And then there's the kitchen. You got 2 bedrooms. Bathroom.
I mean, the kitchen
is a house.
The kitchen is massive. It is like a house.
It's cool though. In the Caribbean, this would be nice.
I don't know if it comes with like this generator and stuff. That'd be nice. Does it come with all these tools? Does it come with this vacuum? What do we do?
So, Brett and I are looking at a Westsail 28 right now. Our last boat was 27 feet. So this one's gonna be small. Maybe we don't need as big as a boat as we think we do, but yeah. Oh wow, it is cozy. It's cute.
It's tiny and cute.
It's the nav station. There's a cute little kitchen. Here's a little dinette. This is cute. I mean, I could see us having a boat like this someday, for sure. It was a Westsail 28. What do you think?
Too small.
It's cute though. Her. Brett said we're missing a window. We are missing a winch, but she's pretty.
Here is the staysail boom. You can see the end of the staysail boom is rotted out and broken, as well as the bowsprit needs replaced. It's got considerable rot in it. And I'm assuming that the Samson posts will be the same since the caulking is not looking so good around them.
Look at all the books too. Look at all the knowledge. And it comes with one of these. Those are like $200.
This is cool. Whee! Except in the...
This is the bedroom. It's got those little cabinets on the side. It's got this bed right here. It goes back here. We got some more storage. And we got more storage down here. That's the bed. This is the bathroom. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Kind of like this space. It's got a little counter and more storage. You come in here. Look at how open it is. It's crazy. It's scary because the floor is definitely soft. But that's okay. Bedroom is back there. Here is the dinette. It's very cool, and we wanted a U shape, so it works out great. We have this couch. Here's the nav station, and then another little single bed right here.
Here's just a little bit of the electrical stuff you can see. I'm no expert, but I'm thinking I'd have to redo a bit of this. It doesn't look great. And water drips on it. You can see the roof is caving in. This is bunny. Say hello.
Hi.
After all of the things we've seen so far, how do you feel?
I'm trying not to get too excited because I love it. This is probably my favorite one so far. I did like the 242. This might be better. I think this might be better. I don't know. I'm really trying not to get too excited because it might be too much work. But also, I got a lot of love to give right now. At the boat.
I want it.
Me too.
We want it for cheap though, because it needs a lot.
Yeah.
It needs a lot. And this is not what we were looking for, but it's very cool. Bye, you big stupid boat.
Baby.
You know, we like it. It's alright. There's gonna be more. You could see they have a fiberglass piece they just like put on there. Fiberglass, and then they ground it away. If you look close here, you can see that fiberglass isn't even here. It's just all ground away. And then right here is raw fiberglass at the through hull. I mean, that's definitely not great. Ah, geez. It's too many choices. Thank you so much for watching our video and sticking around until the end. We hope you enjoyed. Please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a comment down below for us. The comments are a great way for us to interact with you guys, and we love replying and learning from you in the comments. So thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.